Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start with grade 7 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Then, you have to scroll down to grade 7. Then, click on view all lessons, and we are already working on the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. And the topic we're going to start with is hi Elvin, hi in class. Okay, we are going to start with compare and order fractions. We're going to start with compare and order fractions. Let's start with the lesson compare. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and definitions on your notebook. Got it? So let's start with the topic compare and order fractions. Let's start with an example. Okay, which fraction is less? And the fractions are 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. We need to see which one is less. Got it? You can compare the fractions by two ways. One of them is you can make a 4, 5, 6, and here you have 7. Okay, out of the 7, just two of them are colored. So these two are the colored. Got it? Now 3 over 7 is 4, 6, and 7. Okay, out of the 7, 3 of them are colored. So, which is more colored? This one or this one? 3 by 7 is more colored than 2 by 7, correct? That means 2 by 7 is less than 3 by 7. Or the simplest way you can compare two fractions is they have like denominators, got it? Both of them have the denominator 7. You can compare their numerators. 2 is less than 3, isn't it? Yes, 2 is less than 3. That means 2 by 7 is less than 3 over 7. Got it? 2 by 7 is less than 3 by 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is which fraction is less? 2 by 11 or 2 by 5. So 2 by 11 or 2 by 5. So you need to see which one is smaller. 2 by 11 is smaller or 2 by 3 is smaller. Okay, so okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, out of the 5, 3 of them are colored. Okay, so these 3 are colored. Okay, then you have 2 by 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, out of the 11, two of them are colored. So just look at both the diagrams. So which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? 2 by 11 is smaller. Got it? So 2 by 11 is less than 2 by 5. See here you have only this portion is colored, but here you have colored until this. So that means 2 by 11 is less than 2 over 5. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. 1 by which fraction is less? 1 by 4 or 1 by 2? So which of them is colored? Or which of them is less? Sorry, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, so here you have out of the 4, just one of them is colored. And then out of the 2, one is colored. So which one is less? Yes, 1 by 2 is, sorry, 1 by 4 is less. See here you have just one portion out of the 4 is colored, and here one out of the 2 is colored. So that means 1 by 4 is less. Got it? 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. You can make diagrams to confirm. So 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which fraction is greater? You need to see the greater fraction. Got it? 1 by 11 and 10 by 11. Okay, 1 by 11 and 10 by 11. You need to see which of them is greater. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here you have 11. Okay, then you have, yes, you need to see the greater one, not the smaller one. So which is greater? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, now you have out of 11, just one is colored. You need to see the greater one with fraction is greater. And out of the 11, 10 of them are colored. So which one is greater? Yes, very good. 10 by 11 is greater than 1 by 11. Got it? 10 by 11 is more colored portion than, so 10 by 11 is greater than 1 by 11. Got it? You can make the diagrams and just confirm your answers. Got it? So which fraction is less, 2 by 7 or 3 by 7? Which one is less? When they have like denominators, you can simply compare their numerators. So which numerator is smaller, 2 or 3? Yes, the less one is 2 by 7. Very good. Okay, which fraction is greater? 1 by 3 is greater or 2 by 3 is greater? Yes, 2 by 3 is greater. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which fraction is greater, 1 by 11 or 1 by 3? Which is greater? Yes, 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 11. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, which fraction is less? 2 by 11 is less or 2 by 5 is less? Which one is less, 2 by 11 or 2 by 5? Yes, very good. 2 by 11 is less than 2 by 5. Got it? Very good. 2 by 11 is less than 2 by 5. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is compare fractions word problems. Let's start with compare fractions word problems. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, Brooke owns 9 by 10 of the gas station in Jefferson. In Clinton, Keston owns 3 by 4 of the gas station. Who owns a greater fraction of gas station in her area? So which fraction is greater, 8 by 9 or 3 by 4? Which one is greater? So which is greater? Yes, the Kristen is the greater. No, 9 by 10 is greater, isn't it? And 9 by 10 is for Brooke. So that means the Brooke is greater, isn't it? Brooke is a greater one. You can make 9 by 10 and 3 by 4 and then see which one is greater. Let me make 9 by 10 and 3 by 4. 9 by 10 and 3 by 4. Okay, 4, 6, 8, and okay, 9 of them are colored. And here you have, okay, 9 of them are colored. And here you have 3 of them are colored. So which portion is more colored? Got it. So that means the Brook is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it now? So 9 by 10 is the greater one. Okay, the next one is last week Eddie's dealership sold one third of its uh, pickup truck across town. Dayton Autos sold 1 by 7 of its pickup trucks. Which business sold a greater fraction of its pickup trucks? Which is the correct option? Yes, Eddie's dealership is greater than the Dayton. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Gavin's baseball team has 8 by 9 of its games, while Clara's baseball team has won 1 by 6 of its game. Whose team has won a greater fraction of its game? So Gavin's base process 8 by 9. So which one is greater? No, yes, you can answer on A plus, or you just have to understand the concept. If you got the concept, you can complete the test later. Got it? So which one is greater? Yes, Gavin's baseball team has the greater one, 8 by 9 of its games. So Gavin's team has greater. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7 by 8 of the local science bowl. Uh, Contestants were competing for the first time, while 1/5 of the regional science bowl contestants were competing for the first time. Which science bowl had a greater fraction for first time contestants? Which one is greater? 7 by 8 or 1 by 5? Which one is greater? So who has a greater value? Yes. Who has a greater value, 7 by 8 or 1 by 5? Which value is greater one? Yes, very good. 7 by 8. That means the local science has the greater value. Got it? Okay, the next one is by dinner time, Bonnie had finished 1/6 of the questions from her history homework. Her friend Jennifer had finished 8 by 9 of the questions from her homework. Who had finished a greater fraction of the questions, Jennifer or Bonnie? You need to see which one has the greater fraction. Jennifer, yes, it is. Jennifer had the greater fraction. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, the next one is during study hall, Clara finished 1/3 of the problems from his math homework. Mickey had did 4 by 7 of the problems from her homework. Who did a greater fraction of the her math problems? Yes, Mickey has the greater one. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, recently Marshall Cinema sold out 3/5 of the nights it was open. Richmond Theatre sold out 5/6 of the nights it was open. Which movie theater sold out on a greater fraction of nights? Which one has the greater value? Yes, Richmond has the greater value, that is 5 by 6. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? I'm just moving on to the next topic, and the next topic is convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. Convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Mixed fractions and improper fractions. Okay, let's start with an example. So, write 1 whole 1 by 2 as an improper fraction. We have to write 1 whole 1 by 2 as improper fraction. So, how can we write 1 whole 1 by 2 as improper fractions? So, you have to convert. Let's Here you have the whole number, the numerator and the denominator. 1 is the whole number. Here you have 1 is the numerator and then 2 is the denominator. Got it? So what you have to do, you have to multiply the whole number type denominator. You need to do 1 times 2, and you have to add the numerator in the answer and then divided by the same denominator. Got it? You need to do whole numbers times denominator. Then you have to add the numerator and denominator is exactly the same. Got it? So it would be 2 times 1 is 2 and plus 1 3 over 2. Got it? So 1 whole 1 by 2 in improper fraction equals 3 over 2. Got it? You have to multiply the whole number times denominator. Whole number is 1 and denominator is 2, so you need to do 1 times 2, and you have to add a numerator in the answer. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is, let's start with a test. Okay, write 2 whole 5 by 6 as an improper fraction. You have to write 2 whole. Okay, you have to write 2 whole 5 by 6. Got it? So you need to do whole number time denominator. Whole number is 2. So and denominator is 6. You need to do 2 times 6, and then you have to add the numerator in the answer. Got it? So 2 times 6 is, so it would be 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 over 6. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the, it is 17 over 6, and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 8 whole 1 over 2. So which is the correct option? 8 whole 1 over 2. So it would be 2 times 8 is 16. You need to do 2 times 8. Then you have to add 1 and divide it by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 16 plus 1 is 17 over 2. So it would be 17 by 2. Got it? Yes, very good. It is 17 over 2. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 whole 1 by 5. So which option is the correct one? 3 whole 1 by 5, right? 3 whole 1 by 5 is an improper fraction. So which option is the correct one? So the correct option is very good. It is 16 over 5. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 7 whole 2 by 3 as an improper fraction. So the correct option is, yes, it is 23 over 3. Very good. So correct option is 23 over 3. Okay, the next one is 1 whole 6 by 7. So the correct option is, 'yes, it is 13 by 7. Very good. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, the next one is write 8 whole 5 by 8 as an improper fraction. Eight times 8 is 64, and yes, it is 69 over 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Ola, it's 69. 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 plus 5 is, it is 69 over 8. Got it? Okay, write 3 whole 1 by 6 as an improper fraction. Yes, it is 19 over 6. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, write 9 whole 1 by 5 is an improper fraction. It would be 46 over 5. Got it? Okay, I'm just moving on to the next topic. You can complete the test by yourself later today. The next topic is, let's just move on to the next one. The next topic is compare mixed numbers and improper fractions. You have to now compare improper fractions and the mixed numbers. Got it? Okay, which number is less than 7 whole 1 by 8? Okay, let me write it down on board. 7 whole 1 by 8 you have to compare, and the options given are, you have to compare the mixed numbers actually. Got it? 7 whole 1 by 8, and you have to compare them 7 whole 2 by 7, 6 whole 3 by 8, and 7 whole 9 by 11. Mm, okay, so you have to see. Let me read the question. I forgot the question. Which number is less than 7 whole 1 by 8? Okay, so you need to see which number is less than 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? So start with the first one, 7 whole 2 by 7 and 7 whole 1 by 8. Just compare their whole numbers. Both of them have the same whole numbers. Got it? Now just look at the fractions, 2 by 7 and 1 by 8. So 2 by 7 is 0.28. Compare their fractions. 2 by 7 is 0.28 and 1 by 8 is 0.125. So 0.28 is smaller than 0.1285. That means 7 whole 2 by 7 is less than 7 whole 1 by 8. Sorry, 0.125 is less than 0.28. That means 7 whole 1 by 8, 7 whole 2 by 7 is greater than 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? Because 0.28 is greater than 0.125. Got it? Now let's just compare 7 whole 1 by 8 to 6. Here just compare their fractional part. 6 is smaller than 7. That means 6 whole 3 by 8 must be smaller than the 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? So 6 whole is less than 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7 whole 9 by 11 and 7 whole 1 by 8. Just compare their whole numbers, they are equal. Now let's just compare their fractional parts. 9 by 11 and 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.125. You have to compare 9 by 11. So 9 by 11 is 0.81. So that means 7 whole 9 by 11 is greater than 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? So in question we have to find uh, we have to find which fraction is less. Okay, so two of them are greater. Just 6 whole 3 by 8 is less than 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? So 6 by 3 whole 3 by 8 is less than 7 whole 1 by 8. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Let's start with the test. Okay, let's start with test. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 8 whole 1 by 6 and 8 whole 4 over 5. 8 whole 1 by 6 and 8 whole 4 over 5. So which, just look at their whole numbers, they are equal. Just compare their um, uh, uh, fractions. So which is less? 1 by 6 is less or 4 by 5 is less? Which one is smaller, 1 by 6 or 4 by 5? 1 by 6 is less than 4 by 5. Got it? 1 by 6 is smaller. You have just 1 out of 6. And here you have 4 out of 5. So 1 by 6 is less than 4 by 5. That means 8 whole 1 by 6 is less than 8 whole 4 by 5. Got it? That's how we compared the mixed numbers. Got it? Just write the correct option in the chat box if you know the answer. It is less than. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is which number is less than 7 whole 1 by 8? That's the one we did on tutorial. Got it? So 6 whole 3 by 8 is actually less than. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 6 whole 7 by 8 and 6 whole 1 by 3. 6 whole 7 by 8 and 6 whole 1 over 3. Okay, just compare their whole numbers. Now just look at their fractions. So 7 by 8 is greater than 1 by 3 or less than 1 by 3? Yes, 7 by 8 is greater than 1 by 3. Got it? So that means 6 whole 7 by 8 is greater than 6 whole 1 by 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the. So 6 whole 7 by 8 is greater than 6 whole 1 by 3. Got it? Yes, very good. It is greater. Okay, the next one is 8 whole 1 by 2 and 10 whole 1 by 2. So which sign makes the statement true? Yes, less than. Just look at their whole numbers. It is less than 10. So 8 whole 1 by 2 is less than 10 whole 1 by 2. Got it? Okay, 6 whole 3 by 8 and 6 whole 1 by 8. So 3 by 8 is greater or 1 by 8 is greater because their whole numbers are exactly same. So 6 whole 3 by 8 is greater or 1 by 8 is greater. Very good. Yes, 6 whole 3 by 8 is greater than 6 whole 1 by 8. Very good. Because 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Got it? Okay. Which numbers are greater than 1 whole 5 by 6? So which one is greater than 1 whole 5 by 6? Yes, they have same denominators. Good. Okay, which numbers are greater than 1 whole 5 by 6? Yes, the first option, because the first option has the whole number 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So that would be the first option. Got it? Oh, very good. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 9 whole 4 by 5 and 9 whole 8 by 10. 9 whole 4 by 5 is less than 9 whole 8 by 10. Got it? Oh, they are equal. Got it? 9 whole 4 by 5 and yes, you can we can write 8 by 10 as 4 by 5, so they are equal. Sorry. Okay, 6 whole 1 by 9 and 6 whole 1 by 9. They are equal. Got it. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered four of the topics today, and the topics are compare and order fractions, compare fractions word problems, convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions, and compare mixed numbers and improper fractions. Please make sure you have to complete the tests by yourself before the next session. If you need more help with any of the topic, just contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Also, if you find the session helpful for you, please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. See you all in the next session. Bye.